In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add the Base network to your Phantom wallet. This process is very easy. I'm gonna open my Phantom wallet right now. And to add this network, what you need to do is click right here at the top left, then go to settings, and you will see active networks. I have 4, and you can see Base X right here. You can enable it, and by enable it, and that's it. Now we have the Base network ready in our Phantom wallet. As you can see, Ethereum in the Base network has just appeared, and we can use a lot of different tokens on the Base network. For example, I can go right here and search for Base tokens, and this will show a lot of different tokens on the Base network. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.